Disney's Art of Animation is one of those resorts that truly immerses you in the Disney magic. Featuring the worlds of Finding Nemo, Cars, The Lion King, and The Little Mermaid, Disney's Art of Animation offers so much fun for you and your family. The opening of Disney's Art of Animation Resort in May of 2012 is the final chapter in a story that began with the concept for Disney's Pop Century Resort in the 90s.
Disney's Pop Century Resort was originally set to have two distinct sections: the classic years, which we know to be Pop Century today, with buildings from the 1950s to the 1990s, as well as the legendary years, which would include the first half of the 20th century. The two resorts would be connected by the Generation Gap Bridge and together make up a very large value resort. Disney broke ground on the resort in 1999, and they completed the main building and several room buildings. After the events of September 11, 2001, and a sharp downturn in tourism, Disney had to face the facts that they may not be able to fill the amount of rooms that this resort was going to provide. Disney completed the classic years, and it opened as Disney's Pop Century Resort on December 14, 2003. For years, you could see the few room buildings and main buildings sitting abandoned. They even had the giant numbers in front of the main building. We remember seeing these buildings on numerous family vacations, wondering if it would ever be completed. Fast forward to 2010, when Disney's Art of Animation Resort was announced. They turned the original Legendary Years main building into Animation Hall, and the standing room buildings became the Little Mermaid section. This is why those buildings are the same design as Pop Century and do not match the other buildings at Disney's Art of Animation Resort.
Disney's Art of Animation became a different kind of value. There are family suites that can accommodate up to 6 guests, and the theming really takes it to another level. Family suites include a bedroom with 1 queen-size bed, 1 double-size convertible table bed, 1 double-size sleeper sofa, living room, 2 bathrooms, and a kitchenette.
We thought we would show you around one of our favorite resorts to visit. We present Disney's Art of Animation Resort. The Cars area features photo opportunities with many of the inhabitants of Radiator Springs.
You can get pictures with the characters.
As you walk your way along a road-inspired pathway, you are brought into their world. This section has a quiet pool themed after the Cozy Cone Motel, complete with cone cabanas. It is a lot of fun walking around this resort.
This is the Cars area. I'll show you around. This is Mater. Start.
The Finding Nemo section is directly in front of the main building and houses the feature pool. Disney states on its website that the Big Blue Pool is the biggest pool at any Walt Disney World resort. It definitely is very impressive. There is a lot of fun for the little ones at Schoolyard Sprayground and Squirt's Righteous Reef. Cameron has done a playground review of Squirt's Righteous Reef if you would like to check it out. We'll put a link in the description.
Hakuna Matata, welcome to the Lion King area. Let's go take a look. The Lion King section of Disney's Art of Animation is adjacent to the main lobby and does not have a quiet pool. It does have a few great photo opportunities with many of the larger-than-life characters. While it doesn't seem like this section has much to offer, it is in a great location that offers convenience to many other areas of the resort, including the Little Mermaid section.
Now we're going to take you through Little Mermaid area.
The Little Mermaid area has rooms that are comparable to the rooms at Disney's Pop Century Resort, as we learned earlier. This area has so many photo opportunities with items from the Disney's Little Mermaid. You are able to get your photo with a giant dingle hopper. There is also the Flippin' Fins pool featuring the Under the Sea Orchestra conducted by Sebastian. While being a bit different than the other areas, the Little Mermaid section may be great for those with a smaller party wanting to spend a little bit less and enjoy many of the same resort amenities.
Disney's Art of Animation has one of our favorite food courts. Landscape of Flavors serves breakfast, lunch, and dinner and has 5 distinctive shops, including a create-your-own pasta station. In-room pizza delivery is also available.
Oh, hey, see you there. Welcome to Landscape of Flavors.
Beginning in fall of 2019, the Disney Skyliner transportation will be available. This gondola system connects Disney's Art of Animation Resort with Epcot and Disney Hollywood Studio.
We hope that you've enjoyed this week's topic, Disney's Art of Animation Resort. Be sure to head over to our Facebook page where we post daily videos from the topic of the week leading to our next YouTube release on Sunday. Have you stayed at Disney's Art of Animation, or are you planning a stay? We would love to hear from you in the comments. If you like this episode, let us know by giving us a thumbs up and subscribe to not miss a future episode.
Thanks for watching. See you next week.
See how they start off as sketches down here, and then they get colored and colored until they're the finished drawings down there. I really like that mug. I'd like to have all the resort mugs.
$13.99, that's not bad.
No, that might be mine at some point soon. Ours, sorry.
Cardboard dioramas. We have the teacups, Small World, Haunted Mansion, and Splash Mountain. And here are the bags down below.
How much are they?
Let's see. $16.99.
$16.99.
Looks like a little bit of instructions on the back.
6 steps and you can have a diorama.